Hello dear friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a glowing face mask using aloe vera and honey. So the first thing you have to do is you find your aloe. So I've already immersed my aloe in water to remove the poisonous content. So if you can harvest your own aloe vera, that's stellar. You have your own supply of magic gel to use at your disposal. If you don't have an aloe plant in your home, try your best to find it fresh. So fresh aloe is the best as the medicinal properties deteriorate over time. So you're going to use some honey. Make sure that you get raw honey. And a knife, a spatula, a spoon, and a bowl. So those are the items we are going to use. So we are cutting off the sharp edges. So like before using aloe on your face, you have to make sure that you do a patch test before lathering the mix all over your face, because aloe can cause dermatitis in some individuals. So you definitely want to make sure you don't suffer any irritation before applying a full-on face mask. So we are getting a bowl and putting our aloe in the bowl in preparation for scooping the gel. So I'm getting a bowl and the spoon. We are going to cut across and start removing the gel or scooping the gel. So you can actually buy any commercial aloe vera out there, but of course it may contain some other substances. So that's how our gel looks like. We're not going to blend it. We're just going to whip it because I don't like the way it looks like after blending it like water. So we are going for some kind of like thicker consistent. Okay, so it's ready. Now we are going to add in our honey. So honey offers soothing benefits, making it a perfect addition to our face mask. And since honey is very sticky, make sure that you go for 1:2 ratio. Yes, so that it's not sticky, as you apply it. So make sure that you don't use too much honey. So we are going to mix it. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Yes, so I've already washed my face with the warm water in the morning, and I'm going to use my hands because I feel like hands are very gentle, but you can use brushes, it's still okay. So like lather it all over your face. So we are done. So you have to make sure that you leave your mask on for 10 to 15 minutes. So I have just rinsed my face. Yes. So due to its sticky nature, some people believe it is difficult to wash it off. It is easier to wash it off on wet skin than dry skin. So make sure that you wash your face thoroughly. Thank you so much, dear friends, for watching this video. Click on that like button if you like this video. Comment in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, and God bless you.